Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss general awareness related question. Let us start. Dash is the portal launched by SIDBI to access financial and non-financial service to MSME. I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Udyami Mitra. Why it is important is through this portal, you can apply for Mudra loans. Through this portal, you can apply for Mudra loans, Stand Up India loans, Stand Up India loans, PM Swanidhi loans. This we already discussed in the previous video. This is for vendor and the amount is 10,000 per annum. So they'll get subsidy interest rate also. Just go through this in the previous video. MSME loans and animal husbandry infrastructure development fund. They can apply for all the above mentioned. Yeah, we'll go to next question. What is the loan amount sanctioned under Stand Up India scheme? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 10 lakhs to 1 crore. We'll discuss more about this. It was launched. It was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on 5th of April. 5th of April. 5th of 5th of April 2016. Remember this one better. Let me write down 5th of April 2016. And those who can apply for this, SC, ST and women. This scheme is to finance entrepreneurs. This scheme is to finance entrepreneurs. So those who want to set up greenfield enterprise. And they'll get lowest interest rate. Those who are availing under Stand Up India scheme, and the repayment period is 7 years. So where you can avail from the scheduled commercial bank. Scheduled commercial bank. See, write down it in a notes so that you can revise it later. Next question we go. What is the full form of mudra? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. Some more details about this one. Authorized capital for mudra is authorized capital. Okay, for mudra is 1000 crore. And paid up capital is 750 crore. Don't ignore any of this information because there is a possibility of anything they can ask you. Either they can ask you full form, they can ask you authorized capital, they can ask you paid up capital. So better prepared with all the questions which are possible to come in examination. We'll move to the next question. When was Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana launched? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 8th April 2015. It was launched by our honorable Prime Minister. The aim is to provide refinance support to micro business. Micro business. To whom? To non-corporate, non-corporate, non-farm, small or micro enterprises. Micro enterprises. We'll discuss more about this. So frame from where you can avail this. You can avail from commercial banks, regional and rural banks, that is RRB, small financing banks, small finance banks, microfinance institution, microfinance institution, NBFCs, that is non-banking financial company. NBFCs. This is regulated by whom? This is regulated by which organization? Which organization or institution? Write down in the comment section this. Whether all the NBFCs, whether all the NBFCs or few NBFCs are regulated by this institution. Here, those who are preparing for RBI, this is very, very, very important. Under Mudra scheme, under Mudra, okay, under Mudra loans, we have three different schemes. One is Shishu. So up to 50,000 you can avail. Remember the amount. Okay, remember the scheme and remember the amount. For Shishu, you can avail up to 50,000. For Kishore, okay, you can avail from 50,000 to 5 lakh. For Tarun, you can avail 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. Here, we'll go to next question. Who was the winner of Global Teacher Prize 2020? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Ranjit Singh Desalle. He is from Maharashtra. He is a primary school teacher. Primary school teacher. Okay. Next, this Global Teacher Prize, it was started in the year 2015. It was awarded by Varkey Foundation in partnership with UNESCO. For Ranjit Desle, it was awarded for encouraging girls' education, and developing QR code for textbook. So what is the prize money for this? It is $1 million. $1 million. Yeah, we'll go to next question. What is the age limit for Atal Pension Yojana? What is the age limit for Atal Pension Yojana? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is 18 to 40 years of age. So you need to pay for a minimum of 20 years Okay, when you attain age of 60 years, you will receive this as a pension. So there is a minimum amount you can contribute. Yes, 1000, okay, to 5000 you can. So in between you can contribute. So depending on your contribution, at the age of 60, you will receive the pension amount. And it is regulated by PFRDA, that is Pension Funds Regulatory Authority of India. You can pay it monthly, quarterly, or half yearly. Next question we'll go to. Which union territory has topped the rank in India Innovation Index 2020? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Delhi. The Delhi ranked the top and followed by Chandigarh. In major states category, Karnataka topped. Remember all this information. Followed by Maharashtra, followed by Tamil Nadu. For northeastern hill station, north, east and hill state, sorry, Himachal Pradesh, followed by Uttarakhand. This is the second edition. This is the second edition. First edition, okay. First edition was launched in the year 2019. This is launched by Niti Aayog. And who is the chairman of this Niti Aayog? Prime Minister. And who is the vice chairman? Dr. Rajiv Kumar. Move to next question. Which state has launched Pank Abhiyan new scheme under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao on the occasion of National Girl Child Day? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. What is the full form of? When is the National Girl Child Day celebrated? It is on 24th January. And what is the full form of PUNK? P for protection, A for awareness of their rights, N for nutrition, and K for knowledge, and H for health. Here we'll go to the next question. Who are the members of the committee set up by Supreme Court to review the Three Form Reforms Act 2020? And the answer is Dr. Pramod Joshi, Dr. Ashok Gulati, and Sri Anil Ganwal. Next question. Who is the author of book India Then and Now, an Insider's Account? I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is Bimal Jalan. He is ex-governor of RBI. So if you like this videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.